Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics.
Section 4.5, Problem 22. This is Section 4.5, Problem 22. It says solve the following. 6 is what percent of 20? So to solve a problem like this, first we have to make it an equation, then we have to solve the equation. And when you make an equation, there are a few keywords. One is, that will become equals. The other keyword is of, that will become times or multiply. So 6 is becomes 6 equals. What percent? The percent is unknown, so we'll just name it with a variable. We'll use n. Some people like to use p for percent. That's fine. Of will become a times, and then 20. So as an equation, you have 6 equals n times 20. So we want to solve for n, the unknown. So that means we divide the 20. 6 divided by 20 equals n. Now, if your teacher allows you to use a calculator for class, you can simply do the numerator of 6 divided by the denominator of 20 equals, and you'll get your answer. And it's going to come out as a decimal when you do the answer. Remember, the question asks for the answer in the form of a percent. Now, if your teacher doesn't let you use a calculator, you just do it the long way. So the denominator, the 20, goes in front of the division symbol. The numerator, the 6, goes inside the division symbol. So now 20 divides into 6. Well, it won't fit. 6 isn't big enough. So think of it as a 60, but it's really 6.0. But pretend it's 60 and the decimal goes straight up vertically. So 20 times 3 is 60. So I have 0.3, right? 3 times 20 is 60. 60 minus 60. It goes in nice and even, no remainder. So the answer as a decimal is 0.3, but again, we want that as a percent. So 0.3 as a percent, I want to move the decimal 2 places to the right to make it a percent. I'm going to create a blank spot. So you fill that in with a 0 as 30%. Now, let me point something out. I got 30% as an answer. Notice when I had 6 over 20, one of the tricks I like is if you can make the denominator a 100, the numerator is the percent. So I can make the denominator a 100 by multiplying the denominator times 5. 20 times 5 is 100. If you do that, you have to do the numerator times the same amount. So the numerator is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. I have 30 over 100. When the denominator is 100, the numerator is the percent. 30%, I get the same answer a little quicker if I notice that I can make the denominator 100 easily. Sometimes you can't make the denominator 100 easily, and even when you can, you might not notice it. So if you don't notice, not the end of the world. You get the answer. If you do notice, you get the answer a little quicker.